What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Feature Friday again, and I had the opportunity to catch up with my buddy Shelby from Raid Dynamics at one of the last group rides. So I wanted to introduce the community. If you don't already know him, he's a great dude. He makes really cool custom wheel covers and frame consoles and head plates for various different styles of bikes, whether it's Super 73, Onyx, and soon the Zoos. So here's a quick interview with him. Check it out. I'm here with Shelby from Raid Dynamics. If you're not familiar with Raid Dynamics, we got a product here we can show people, right?
Yeah, we got the wheel covers.
The wheel covers.
Molly panels, center molly panels for the RX, we make it for the S2. Wheel covers have been doing good. There's several bikes here with them, so yeah, it's good. It's nice to see them, you know, on the community.
Yeah.
Community's rides.
I always see a good amount of them on ride day. So how did you get into it? How did you start doing this?
I got a RX Carmine, and then my partner, my business partner, he said the center kind of looks kind of empty. I'm like, yeah, I agree. And then I wanted him to make me like I was like, I want a storage panel for my RX, just something for myself.
Right.
So I bought like some aftermarket Molly panel, like a rectangular one, and I mounted it, and he designed a bracket and we mounted it, and I liked it. I was like, you know, let's do the whole frame.
Yeah.
So we designed it in CAD, and then we had it prototyped, and we installed it, and it was exactly what I wanted. And we're like, you know, maybe let's see if we can sell a few of these. You know, maybe we sell like 10, 20. And then we decided, okay, let's do it. Let's start a company. You know, went legit. Started an S Corp, and then we had like 40 of them made in 2 different profiles. And then we sold them, and they sold like really quick.
Wow.
And we said, you know, maybe there's something that we could, you know, keep growing. And we did. We had like different shapes, multiple shapes, different like Molly mounting systems, different brackets, different kind of hardware, quick release, semi-permanent bolt-on. And then we started making wheel covers. Again, it was just something I wanted for my bike. That's how like it usually starts.
That's how, yeah.
And then we just kept, you know, R&D, and then it just grew into like 12 different designs.
That's great.
Yeah, and then we have more things coming.
So would you say most of your products are Super 73 oriented?
Yeah, because that's where we kind of started.
That's how you started,
yeah,
right?
And it's still going that direction.
Okay.
And we've also ventured into Onyx.
Right,
also.
right.
Yeah, so we have a wheel cover for Onyx. We have like, you know, some things like down the pipeline for Onyx.
That's cool. Have you ever gotten any attention from the companies? Did they ever reach out to you and say?
Yeah. You know, we've been in touch. They sent us a frame, so we can like. You know,
so you can get everything to fit just right. That's perfect.
Yeah,
that's great.
They've been great. So.
How long have you been riding e-bikes?
My first e-bike was an OG 18 Super 73, and that's like when it started. I would say that's what? I would say maybe 4 years ago, maybe.
Okay.
I would say.
Cool.
Yeah.
That's awesome. And you're based in Brooklyn?
Brooklyn, yeah.
Brooklyn.
Yeah. We make everything there. Everything's made there.
That's cool, man.
Yeah.
Thanks so much for taking the time, man.
Johnny,
I really
thanks,
appreciate
man.
it.
Thank you.
Enjoy the day.
All right.
I'm gonna get some video of your covers and your consoles and everything.
Cool. Yeah, this guy.
There we go. Perfect. Oh, that's beautiful.
So we got that bike. My Molly panels got wheel covers attached.
Oh wow, yeah. That's cool. That's really cool. Very nice.
Good venereal disease.
We got to figure out something for the zoos.
Yeah, I know. We got to talk. We got to sit down and figure it out.
That was nice too.
Anodized washers.
I really like that. Yeah, that's cool.
All metal hardware.
Awesome.
And we're playing around with the front plate, prototyping some stuff out.
Oh,
Always
that's
like
cool.
trying to prototype
All right,
stuff.
yeah.
Maybe do like a rig to hold
This is not tight.
bars, like the rails for the cameras and things like that.
That would be cool.
So I need different.
That's awesome. That's so funny. I did an Amazon review for the whatever that called. Yeah.
Oh, I think it might have been. I forget if it was like Rock Road.
So I hope you enjoyed that. I'm actually going to hit him up to try to come up with something for my Chimera to kind of protect the wires and the controller that come out the back because they're a little bit exposed. Maybe some sort of integrated fender too. So that's it. Cheers to Shelby. Cheers to Raid Dynamics. I wish them great success on their venture and their continued creation of products. Since they're based out in Brooklyn, I've got Kings County Distillery peated bourbon to shoot in their honor. Cheers, Raid Dynamics and Shelby. That's it. As usual, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell your family, and tell your fucking grandma.